Both locked up, nowhere to go. We have each other, believe me, I know. Although, sorry to say, but I need more. All I want is out that door. My soul is wanted so. In this cage where there's no room, it's kind of like a living tomb. Don't you want to spread your wings, fly away? Oh yeah, we can comb the seas and sleep in trees and glide upon some southern breeze back home, back home. Oh, we should be flying, we should be free. If you ain't free, there's no dignity, at least for me. There's nothing here I'm gonna need except one thing, to be free. That's my creed. Take the title and the deed, dirty water and all the sea. Don't you want to spread your wings and fly away? Oh yeah, oh yeah. We can comb the seas and sleep in trees and glide upon some southern breeze back home, back home, back home, in the tropical sea, back home, turquoise sea, jungle green, rainbows in the waterfall mist. Now here we are, caged up in this. How can someone wanna see something caged instead of free? Tell me. I'm half dead at this stage, the other half is full of rage. I hate this cage, but I'll be free, just wait and see.